Hey good people, welcome back to my channel The Nature and the Wild. So today what we're going to do, a lot of people was asking me questions, how your images get so sharp and there was no noise at all, but that's not true. My every image has lot of noise because when I take the picture, either it is early in the morning or it is most of the time in the evening when the lighting conditions are not really good as a for wildlife photography. So in that scenario, what's gonna happen? So I will show you two images taken two different timestamps, one in the morning and one is in the evening, and I will show you the file information, the raw file information just direct out of the camera. And then we will import these two images into Lightroom and we'll do some post-processing basic editing, and then we will denoise those images to get our final image. So this is very important, so guys stay tuned with me till the end and you will definitely get a lot of answers. So one point, the start point, I'm very happy with my camera with Canon R7. I'm pairing it with the RF 500, which is a 7.1 max aperture zoom lens, and they are a deadly combinations for a wildlife photography, and very nice, neat and clean images, sharp images you can get with them. So let's start. If you see this image and if I show you closer look, how much this is our image, and look the background, how much noise is there. This image has a lot of noise, and if I try to edit it now, okay, so again the same principle how I do that basically, but here also we can do one more thing. Let's select the background first. Very nice, look good. Let's remove the extracted parts which we don't want. There are a lot of parts here, I don't want it, otherwise it doesn't look good. So again, exposure is quite good. I'm just going to put it a little bit down, make the isolated. Let's change more green to the more dramatic. Look, you can change the color and mix and match according to how you want. So more greener, less greener. So okay, and the texture and the clarity and the sharpness from the background, because they don't need to be sharp, they need to be more isolated, like this. Little bit the noise here. And now let's select our subject. Again, looking perfectly fine, nice brushed. Let's see, the highlights of our subject is down. You see the light which was falling on his mouth is not there anymore. It was like this. Now the highlights is always take care of that. Always play nicely between the highlight, shadow and the exposure. Then this triangle, if you can do properly, your image will look nice. Let's make it a little bit warmer. Lovely. And fine adjustment of the color here. I want it to be a little bit more texture, more clarity here. And again the special touch, let's take the eyes only, make it adjustment little bit, look out, perfect. So image is almost ready. Denoise this image again and let's see how it comes out. Overall sharpening, detail, I make all my adjustments. This looks absolutely fine already. And denoise again 50% by default is gonna take 3 to 4 minutes, and we will wait till the time. Let's click on enhance. If you go to the corner, you can see how many percentage is already completed. It's 17%, so it's going pretty fast. So you can already see this image when it comes out, and there is a lot of not much changes. When you have a nice image inside your camera, you have taken with the right ISO, right shutter speed, and the exposure triangle is perfect, and you can have always nice image. So guys, we are back again. The processing is done and the image already looks quite sharp and nice. Let's do the final touch before we export it. I want to put it a little bit the vignette, which keeps my subject a little bit more in the focus and make the outer a little bit darker. Let's go to the clarity, little bit nice, and the contrast. Now you see my image is completely on focus, and the subject is quite visible, and the background is quite denoised. There is no more noise inside. If I can show you, this looks perfectly fine. You see how sharp the image looks inside this on the video. So I will put both the images in the video. You can also see it come out after the final process. Let's export these images. Same way, export. So guys, you can see both the images side by side, the raw image out of the camera and the JPEG exported from the Lightroom after the editing, and both the images look quite different. And here you see a lot of noise, the background, and the face of the squirrel is quite overexposed, and here it's nicely underexposed, and the background is quite creamy. The noise is gone. It looks more sharper than the raw image. The colors are more vibrant. So this is so guys, I hope you like my today's video. Please put your question in the comment box. Let me know what are your thoughts about the Canon EOS R7 and RF 500, and if you like this little basic editing of the images. I haven't done a lot of editing on these images, but they are quite high noise, and but after the Lightroom denoise is perfectly working nice, and give you nice and sharp images. So thanks a lot for staying with me. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I will get back to you with my next episode.